Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and use Revolut virtual card in store. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the very first thing that you have to do is simply going to go ahead, first of all, access your Revolut app. And the other thing would be whether you have applied for your virtual card or have you gotten that card yet or not. For the matter, simply go ahead, tap on this cards option beside the accounts. So here in this section, as I mentioned before, on top you can find this option of get card, where you can tap on it if you haven't gotten one, and activated one, you can again get your virtual card. Or if you have already gotten set up your card, you're going to tap on this attest card, which is given below. Then you're going to find this kind of interface. You're going to go ahead, pick up your card, which is a virtual card. Once you're tapped on it, you simply will be able to find that your card transaction information. If you have done so, if you haven't, you will find this add to Apple Wallet option below. It depends on the device and the digital wallet that you use. It can be Google Pay as well, according to your device. What you have set up, once you have got it, you're going to tap on it, and this will simply automatically change it to this interface where you got to go ahead, check on your wallet, and simply add your virtual card as one of your way to pay from your phone's wallet itself. So whenever you try to do a virtual payment or virtual transaction, you can choose within the wallet of yours as an Revolut virtual card as an option. So the simple thing is you have to connect your Revolut virtual card to your phone's wallet and you will be done. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.